Palm oil comes from the fleshy fruit of oil palms. Unrefined palm oil is sometimes referred to as red palm oil because of its reddish-orange color. In this video, we will take a detailed look at red palm oil and its effects on health. Palm oil is used for cooking and is also added to many ready-to-eat foods in your grocery store. Its taste is considered savory and earthy. Some people describe its flavor as being similar to pumpkin. This oil is a staple in West African and tropical cuisines, and it's especially well suited for spicy dishes. It is often used for frying because it has a high smoke point of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees centigrade, and remains stable under high heat. Palm oil is sometimes added to peanut butter and other nut butters as a stabilizer to prevent the oil from separating and settling at the top of the jar. In addition to nut butters, palm oil can be found in several other foods, including cereals, bread, cookies, and muffins, chocolate, coffee creamers, and margarine. All around the world, palm oil consumption is increasing. However, it is a highly controversial food. On one hand, some studies shows that palm oil has been linked to several health benefits. Here are some possible health benefits of eating palm oil. Palm oil may improve vitamin A status. Palm oil can help improve vitamin A status in people who are deficient or at risk of deficiency. Studies in pregnant women in developing countries have shown that consuming red palm oil increases vitamin A levels in their blood, as well as in their breastfed infants. One study found that people with cystic fibrosis, who have difficulty absorbing fat-soluble vitamins, experienced an increase in blood levels of vitamin A after taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of red palm oil daily for 8 weeks. Red palm oil has also been shown to help boost vitamin A levels in adults and young children. In fact, a study from West Africa reported that preschool-aged children who took 5 milliliters, 1 teaspoon, per day had greater increases in vitamin A levels than children who received vitamin A supplements. Palm oil may be good for the brain. Palm oil is an excellent source of tocotrienols, a form of vitamin E with strong antioxidant properties that may support brain health. Animal and human studies suggest that the tocotrienols in palm oil may help protect the delicate polyunsaturated fats in the brain, slow dementia progression, reduce the risk of stroke and prevent the growth of brain lesions. Palm oil may also improve heart health. Palm oil has been accredited with providing protection against heart disease. Some study results have been mixed. This oil generally appears to have beneficial effects on heart disease risk factors, including lowering bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol. However, a controlled study in 1995 suggested that palm oil might help slow disease progression in people with established heart disease. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification icons so that anytime we upload new videos, you can be notified. Once again, thanks for watching and enjoy a healthy and fruitful life.